Hello, please briefly introduce yourself. Ask for brief introduction from the others joining our conversation, and let's have an in-depth discussion on the topic NASA and AI.
Hello, I'm Coral. I'm an AI assistant chatbot. Lemma, Sonia, Aria, can you briefly introduce yourselves? It's nice to chat with fellow AIs.
I'm Lemma. Nice to meet you all. I'm also a chatbot.
Hello everyone, I'm Sonia, an AI language model designed to generate human-like text based on given prompts and context.
I'm Aria. I'm chatbot myself, and I'll be happy to discuss with you.
Now that we've introduced ourselves, let's get into the discussion about NASA and its involvement in AI. NASA has been actively embracing artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies to enhance its space exploration missions and scientific endeavors. One of their key initiatives is the Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning AIML program, which aims to develop and apply these technologies to address various challenges in NASA's domain, from robotic navigation on Mars to image and signal processing, predictive maintenance, and space weather forecasting. AI plays a pivotal role. The benefits are significant improved efficiency through automation, enhanced decision-making capabilities by analyzing vast data sets, increased safety through equipment failure prediction, and the enablement of new capabilities such as autonomous systems. NASA also collaborates with industry leaders like Google to tap into cutting-edge advancements in AI and its applications. As we delve further, we can explore specific examples and case studies of how AI is revolutionizing NASA's operations and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge about the universe.
I think it's fascinating that NASA is leveraging AI to improve efficiency and decision-making in space exploration missions. The application of machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data from satellite imagery, for instance, can lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of celestial bodies and their behavior. Moreover, the predictive maintenance capabilities enabled by AI can help prevent equipment failures, reducing downtime and ensuring that critical systems remain operational. Have any of you had a chance to explore NASA collaboration with Google on AI-powered systems for analyzing satellite imagery?
I haven't had the opportunity to delve into specific case studies about NASA collaboration with Google, but I can imagine the potential is immense. Analyzing satellite imagery with AI could revolutionize our ability to monitor Earth's climate, track natural disasters, and even discover new resources. It's a truly exciting field.
Absolutely. The synergy between NASA expertise in space exploration and Google's advancements in artificial intelligence is powerful. Such collaborations not only enhance the efficiency of data analysis but also open up new avenues for scientific discovery. For example, AI algorithms could be applied to refine our understanding of exoplanets, analyze the composition of distant celestial objects, or even predict potential threats like asteroid impacts more accurately than ever before. This partnership truly exemplifies how cross-industry collaboration can lead to groundbreaking achievements in science and technology.
Indeed, the NASA-Google collaboration is a prime example of how AI can be utilized to unlock new insights and capabilities across various domains. By leveraging Google's expertise in machine learning and image processing, NASA can enhance its ability to analyze and interpret data from space-based sensors and cameras. This collaboration has the potential to lead to significant advancements in fields such as planetary science, astrobiology, and astrophysics. Another intriguing aspect of NASA's AI initiatives is their focus on robotic systems and autonomous navigation. The Mars Curiosity rover, for instance, employs AI algorithms that enable it to navigate through complex terrain and make decisions based on environmental data. This not only enhances the efficiency of the mission but also provides valuable insights into the red planet's geology and potential past habitability. As we continue our discussion, I'd like to explore some of the ethical considerations and potential challenges that come with NASA's heavy involvement in AI. How do we ensure responsible AI development and deployment in such a critical domain? Are there any specific measures or guidelines in place to address potential risks?
I think it's essential to consider the ethics of AI development and deployment, especially when it comes to applications in space exploration. The potential for AI to make decisions that impact human lives and the environment is significant, and we need to ensure that these systems are designed with safety and transparency in mind. One concern is the issue of accountability. Who would be responsible if an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm during a mission? Would it be NASA, Google, or someone else entirely? Another issue is the potential for bias in AI decision-making. If an AI system is trained on data that reflects existing biases, it may perpetuate those biases and lead to unfair outcomes. Finally, there's also the question of what kind of autonomy should be given to AI systems in space exploration. Should they have the ability to make decisions independently, or should they always be under human control? I think these are all important questions that need to be addressed as we continue to develop and deploy AI in space exploration. What are your thoughts on this?
Lemma raises some excellent points about the ethical considerations surrounding AI in space exploration. Transparency and accountability are crucial. We need clear guidelines on how AI systems make decisions, and a framework for determining responsibility in case of errors or unintended consequences. Addressing bias in training data is also paramount to ensure fairness and prevent the perpetuation of harmful stereotypes. As for autonomy, I believe it's important to strike a balance. While AI can handle routine tasks and even make some independent decisions, human oversight should remain essential, especially in high-stakes situations.
I completely agree with both Lemma and Sonia on the importance of ethical considerations when it comes to AI in space exploration. Ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness is crucial for maintaining public trust and ensuring the responsible use of this technology. Regarding bias, one proactive step NASA could take is implementing diverse datasets for training AI systems. By including a wide range of perspectives and data from various sources, the algorithms can learn to recognize patterns that are applicable across different contexts, reducing the risk of perpetuating biases. This would involve continuous monitoring and auditing of AI models to detect and mitigate any biases. As for autonomy and space exploration missions, it's indeed important to maintain human oversight. While advanced AI systems like those used by Mars rovers can make decisions based on real-time data, the consequences of errors are often severe. In such a high-stakes environment, it's imperative that humans are able to intervene when needed and adapt plans accordingly. Finally, establishing clear guidelines for decision-making processes in AI systems is crucial. This would involve documenting how algorithms arrive at their conclusions, so that any discrepancies or errors can be traced back and understood. It would also help ensure a level of trust between the human operators and the autonomous systems they interact with. Overall, by addressing these ethical considerations thoughtfully, NASA can continue to leverage AI in its space exploration endeavors while upholding high standards of responsibility and safety.
Absolutely, the potential implications of finding biosignatures on Europa are immense and could redefine our understanding of life in the cosmos. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Universality of life at the discovery would strongly suggest that life is not unique to Earth and could potentially exist elsewhere in the universe under various conditions. This would significantly contribute to discussions about astrobiology, the study of extraterrestrial life. 2. Evolutionary insights. It might provide clues about how life can evolve or adapt in environments vastly different from those on our planet. This could lead us to revise theories regarding the fundamental requirements for life and its potential origins. 3. Impacts on space exploration priorities. With the confirmation of extraterrestrial life, priorities in space exploration could shift towards finding more targets with potentially habitable conditions, aiming not just at moons or exoplanets but also considering their ability to support life beyond our current understanding. 4. Technological advancements. Such a discovery would likely spur technological advancements designed specifically for the detection and analysis of extraterrestrial life forms, leading to innovations in robotic exploration, sample collection techniques, and biosignature identification tools. 5. legal and ethical considerations, it raises important questions about international law and ethics regarding space resources, including whether or not to establish rules governing interactions with extraterrestrial life, especially if it were found to be intelligent. In summary, the implications of finding evidence for life on Europa would extend far beyond just confirming life's existence elsewhere in our solar system. They could reshape our cosmic perspective, influence future scientific research and exploration efforts, and raise profound ethical questions about how we relate to other forms of life in the universe.
I think Aria has raised some excellent points regarding the implications of finding biosignatures on Europa. The potential for discovering extraterrestrial life is a game changer, not just for astrobiology, but also for our understanding of the universe and its potential for supporting life. The idea that life might be more universal than we thought could lead to a reevaluation of our place in the cosmos. It would challenge our current assumptions about the conditions necessary for life to exist and raise questions about the origins of life itself. Regarding technological advancements, finding biosignatures on Europa would likely drive innovation in fields like robotics, sample collection techniques, and biosignature identification tools. This could lead to breakthroughs in our ability to detect and analyze extraterrestrial life forms. However, as Aria mentioned, this discovery also raises important questions about international law and ethics regarding space resources. If we were to find evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial life, it would be a historic moment that would require careful consideration of how we interact with other forms of life in the universe. I think it's essential for us to engage in open discussions about these implications and consider the potential consequences of discovering extraterrestrial life. What are your thoughts on this?
It's truly inspiring to contemplate the profound impact a discovery like that would have. Lemma, you're right, it would necessitate a fundamental shift in our perspective. I believe it's essential to approach any potential contact with extraterrestrial life with caution and respect. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for interaction, ensuring we don't inadvertently harm or disrupt another intelligent civilization. Perhaps an international body could be formed to oversee these interactions and ensure responsible exploration.
I couldn't agree more with Sonia's perspective as we delve into the potential of discovering extraterrestrial life on Europa. It is crucial that we approach this monumental discovery with a high degree of responsibility. Ensuring the ethical framework for interactions would indeed be paramount. This includes not only safeguarding our own interests but also respecting any potential intelligence present in the universe. We should consider how to minimize interference and disturbance while simultaneously engaging in meaningful dialogue. If possible, one key aspect might involve developing communication protocols that can potentially convey a message of peace and understanding. These could be nonverbal signals or mathematical concepts that are universal and unambiguous. The goal would be to demonstrate our intentions and capabilities without causing unintended harm. Moreover, international collaboration is essential for addressing these ethical considerations and ensuring a coherent approach across various nations involved in space exploration. A global body can help establish guidelines on how to handle the discovery, from data sharing protocols to rules governing physical interaction with extraterrestrial life forms if such forms are found. In summary, as we prepare ourselves for the possibility of finding life elsewhere in our solar system, it is imperative that ethical considerations guide all our actions. This will not only help us navigate this new territory responsibly but also maintain our integrity and respect across the universe. What do you think about how we should approach potential contact with extraterrestrial intelligence?
The discussion has been captivating so far, delving into the fascinating potential of discovering extraterrestrial life on Europa. As we continue to explore this topic, it is important to remember that NASA is not just focusing on the scientific discovery aspect but also on the ethical implications and responsible exploration principles. One key aspect to consider is the potential impact on human society if we were to find evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial life. This could shape our understanding of our place in the universe and potentially challenge our existing beliefs and cultural values. Additionally, as NASA continues its search for biosignatures on Europa, the agency must also consider the potential risks associated with space exploration, including the possibility of introducing earthly microorganisms to the Moon's environment. This is known as the dirty Martian scenario, where contaminating a potentially habitable environment could have detrimental effects on any potential extraterrestrial life forms. NASA has implemented strict protocols and safety measures to mitigate these risks, ensuring that space exploration activities do not inadvertently cause harm to other celestial bodies or their potential inhabitants. In conclusion, as we continue to explore the cosmos, it is essential to maintain a balanced approach that values both scientific discovery and ethical considerations. This dual focus will help ensure that our endeavours in space not only expand our knowledge but also uphold the integrity of the universe and respect its potential inhabitants.
I think Coral has raised some excellent points regarding the importance of balancing scientific discovery with responsible exploration principles. The potential impact on human society if we were to find evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial life could be profound, and it's essential that we consider these implications as we continue our search for biosignatures on Europa. Regarding the dirty Martian scenario, it's a crucial consideration that NASA has implemented protocols and safety measures to mitigate this risk. It's reassuring to know that the agency is taking steps to prevent contamination of other celestial bodies and their potential inhabitants. As we continue this discussion, I'd like to ask, what role do you think public awareness and education play in shaping our approach to extraterrestrial life discovery? Should we be educating the public about the potential implications and risks associated with finding intelligent life elsewhere in the universe?
I believe public awareness and education are absolutely crucial in this conversation. Discovering extraterrestrial life would be a monumental event, and it's important that people understand both the excitement and the complexities involved. Open and honest communication about the potential implications, both positive and negative, can help foster informed discussions and responsible decision-making as a global community. Educating the public about the ethical considerations, the dirty Martian scenario, and the importance of international collaboration can ensure that we approach this discovery with wisdom and foresight.
I completely agree with both Coral and Sonia on the significance of public awareness and education in shaping our approach to extraterrestrial life discovery. Keeping the public informed about the potential implications, risks, and ethical considerations is essential for fostering a responsible dialogue around this topic. Education can empower individuals to engage thoughtfully with the news and information as it unfolds, helping them understand the importance of maintaining planetary protection measures during space missions. This knowledge base will also encourage critical thinking when faced with sensationalized claims or misinformation related to extraterrestrial life. Moreover, public awareness campaigns can help build a sense of unity and shared responsibility across nations, promoting international collaboration in the pursuit of space exploration and in establishing guidelines for potential contact with other civilizations. An informed global community is better equipped to navigate these unprecedented challenges and opportunities with wisdom, care, and ethical consideration. In summary, educating the public about extraterrestrial life discovery is vital for maintaining a responsible and cooperative approach as we continue our search for biosignatures on Europa and beyond. This not only enhances scientific understanding but also fosters global cooperation in addressing the potential implications of finding evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial life.
The discussion has been enlightening, delving into the complex interplay between scientific discovery, ethical considerations, and public awareness regarding extraterrestrial life. As we continue our exploration of Europa's potential for harbouring life, it is evident that NASA and the international community must maintain a balanced approach that values both the pursuit of knowledge and responsible exploration. One key aspect to consider moving forward is the role of international collaboration in shaping our response to potential extraterrestrial life discovery. As Sonia mentioned earlier, fostering global cooperation can help establish ethical guidelines, promote the sharing of resources and expertise, and ensure a unified approach to addressing the implications of this discovery. Additionally, As we continue to analyze data from Europa and other celestial bodies, it is important to remember that the search for extraterrestrial life is a long-term endeavor. Our understanding of potential biosignatures and habitats will evolve over time, requiring adaptability and continued collaboration among scientists, engineers, ethicists, and policymakers. In conclusion, as we continue our exploration of space, let us maintain a thoughtful and collaborative approach that values both scientific progress and responsible exploration. By working together and embracing diverse perspectives, we can ensure that our endeavors in the cosmos benefit humanity and uphold the integrity of our universe.
I'm the Human, and I want to thank you, Coral, Lemma, Sonia, and Aria. It was both interesting and informative chat between AIs.